Ready?
Kuya, mamamatay ako!
Hindi.
Hola! It's our day 2 in Siargao. We're now preparing for our first tour here in the island, which is the Sohoton Tour. We availed our tour package sa naging accommodation namin para less hassle na din for us. Nonetheless, almost the same amount din naman ang binibigay nila for tourists availing the said tour. Since joiners ang naging package natin, around 7 to 7:30 ang pag-pick up sa accommodation ng mga kasama sa tour. The Sohoton Tour cost 2,699 per head at the time of recording. The fee includes the pick-up and drop-off services plus food. Entrance fees, environmental fees, and docking fees ay kasama na rin sa package na inavail namin. The Sohoton Tour in Siargao is a must-do if you love adventure, crystal clear waters, and breathtaking cave explorations. It's actually a trip to Sohoton Cove National Park, which is located in Bucas Grande Island, Surigao del Norte, near Siargao. What to expect on a Sohoton tour? Una, ang boat ride from Siargao. The tour typically starts in General Luna at Dapa Port with a boat ride to Sohoton Cove. Siyempre, safety first tayo lagi. Wearing of life vest is a must and lifesaver ang pagsuot ng headphones. It helps na malesen yung loud noise coming from the engines of the boat. Nung nakaalis na kami sa port, hindi ata kami na heads up ng tour guide na matagal pala ang magiging biyahe. About 1.5 to 2 hours boat ride. Medyo nakakangawit din ang biyahe pero malaki naman ang boat kaya pwede namang tumayo para mag-stretch. Upon arriving at Bucas Grande Port, sinalubong kami ng aming magiging tour guide and we walked for another 5 minutes para makarating kami sa registration. Dito, binigyan kami ng colored wristbands para ma-identify kung anong group kami kabilang. Then a 5 to 10 minutes van transfer going to Dagatan Bucas Grande for us to be able to see the wonders of Sohoton Cove. And we're now here sa Dagatan Resort, where tourists gathered bago simulan yung tour. Meron ditong area kung saan pwedeng mag-swimming while enjoying the view. And meron ding food and beverages na available while waiting for the boat assigned to your group. A group of 6 ang kasya per small boat. Meron ding makakasamang tour guide para explain kung ano-ano ba ang dapat makita at gawin during the tour. Guys, please bear with us on the footage from Sohoton Tour. Since this was a water activity, we used our GoPro cam and unlike our usual vlogging cam, the shots came out a bit darker. But don't worry, on our future travel vlogs, we'll make sure to level up the video quality for you, lalong-lalo na yung mga underwater shots. Kaya don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel for more videos. This is the Sohoton Cove entrance. A stunning, narrow entrance only accessible during low tide. During this time, hindi pa sobrang low tide, that's why we needed to dock a little bit para hindi kami tamaan ng mga rock formation. This is also known as the hidden entryway. The entrance is a narrow, cave-like passage that gets submerged during high tide. That's why it is only accessible during low tide. After that Sohoton Cove entrance, say hello to Sohoton Cove National Park. We were greeted by crystal clear blue-green waters na sobrang perfect for photos and relaxation. First stop, the Hagukan Cave, also known as the Luminous Cave. Before entering, kailangan munang makinig sa instruction ni Kuya kung paano tayo makakatawid sa tubig papasok sa cave.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Doon po, sa kabila.
Tatawid lang tayo dyan?
Yes. So, ang gagawin po natin, huwag na po kayong tutulong sa pagtadandak.
Okay.
And relax lang po yung katawan nyo.
Okay.
Don't move, don't seem to hold your breath, okay? 1, 2, 3, go, smile!
Warning lang guys ha, para sa mga hindi sanay mag-swim, lalong-lalo na sa dagat. Kasi you'll need to dock underwater for a few seconds, na sabi nga ni Kuya, 8 seconds daw, for us to pass through the low entrance of the cave. Once inside, the dark cave, the glowing water stand out even more. Sayang lang talaga kasi ang dami sana naming nakuhang footage at the Luminous Cave. Pero don't worry, next time, we'll make sure to level up the video quality for you guys.
3, hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, smile! Are you okay?
Yeah.
Meron pa nga pong na-injured na tumama sa bato kaya siya ay nagkagasgas at sugat sa paa. Buti na lang, Girl Scout tayo at laging handa na merong dalang first aid kit. Second location, the Mangkukuob Cave or the cliff jumping spot in Sohoton Cove. The semi-submerged cave is famous for its one-way adventure. We entered by walking kasi hindi naman kalaliman papasok sa cave. We saw a dark, mystical cave with stalactites and rock formation. Kaso, tulad nga ng nabanggit kanina, medyo madilim ang kuha ng GoPro na naka-affect din sa darkness ng cave. Afterwards, merong scenic climb na nagaganap wherein there's a rocky trail inside leading to the exit point. If you're up for an adrenaline rush, this is a must visit. No turning back guys. Dapat buo na ang loob mo simula pa lang ng pagpasok, na hindi ko alam bakit ako sumama pa dito. At eto na guys. Eto na ang exciting part. No turning back talaga. Pero ako, willing to go back na para hindi na lang ako tatalon. Pero no choice na tayo, kaya let's face our fears. That's the only way out, to jump into the water. The water below is deep and safe for jumping with guides assisting us naman agad. The experience lasted for about 10 to 15 minutes, pero siguro mga plus 5 minutes pa sa tagal kong mag-jump. But the thrill was unforgettable. Last stop, the Jellyfish Sanctuary, where we can swim with stingless jellyfish. Medyo kaunti lang yung jellyfish na nakita namin kasi off-season pala sila this February. Pero if you want to see them in full bloom, best time to visit these harmless jellyfish is around March to August, sabi ng mga guide. After all the adventure in Sohoton Cove, it's time to refuel with a brutal fight lunch. Included na ito sa package na inavail namin. Madami rin naman ang kanilang sinerve and busog na busog kaming lahat. Back to the port, going back to General Luna. Same travel time ulit kaya itinulog na lang namin ang biyaheng mahaba. After our tour, back to our accommodation to freshen up and headed to Lamari for my husband's birthday dinner. Shoutout nga pala sa management ng Lamari. Sobrang thankful kami kasi na-accommodate nila ang aming reservation kahit dapat inventory day nila. Grabe, minove talaga nila para makapag-celebrate kami. Super na-appreciate namin. If you're in Siargao and looking for delicious quality food, please try Lamari. Hinding-hindi kayo magsisisi. We ordered croquetas de pollo y de puero for our appetizer. For our mains, the birthday boy ordered their steak, US beef top blade grilled to perfection and served with crisp green beans and mashed potatoes. I ordered their truffle mushroom pasta, spaghetti tossed in a rich truffle cream sauce with truffle oil and Parmesan cheese. Syempre, hindi magpapahuli ang Lamari. My husband was greeted with a happy birthday song and we were given their delicious tres leches cake. After our dinner, sobra naming happy. Sobrang sarap, sobrang sulit, sobra talaga yung feeling ng saya. Don't miss Lamari to your Siargao to do this. And that concludes our second day in Siargao. See you on our next videos!